Hello guys, this is FixTube, and in this video we're gonna talk about the best apps for your gaming PC. Gaming PCs are usually optimized to the max, but having these apps on hand can take things to the next level. Nowadays, one doesn't need to be a Twitch streamer to rock a killer PC build, so then there is no sense in stopping at the hardware level. Today, let's take a look at some of the best apps to install for any gaming PC. These apps tackle a number of different things, but when installed in conjunction, they can transform a regular rig into a full-fledged entertainment tour de force. It may be a little obvious that you should have Steam on your computer, but for some it just flies under the radar, so it's still incredibly important to mention. Steam is stable for any PC gamer and will end up being one of the best and most useful free apps you have. For those who are unaware, Steam is essentially software that acts as a store for all the games you choose to purchase on there. It's pretty much the go-to place for developers when looking to publish their games, since Steam sells every game available unless another company buys the rights to it. Nevertheless, you can buy anything from free-to-play games to brand new titles. Steam is a must-have, and it's free to install. You still need to buy the game though. Number 11. RAZER CORTEX, the Game Booster. Don't be fooled by the name. The RAZER CORTEX Game Booster isn't just for those who have killed their setup with all things RAZER. It's designed to optimize your PC settings no matter the gaming platform you choose to use. This free app is perfect for setups of any price, power or performance, and doesn't need any PC wizardry to run it either. It will begin enhancing your settings instantly, which makes it a wonderful app for your gaming PC, especially if it's your first. Number 10 is Discord. The days of Ventrilo and TeamSpeak are essentially long over. Even Skype is not nearly used as much for gaming as it once was. This might be due to many games developing their own chat systems, but the smart money bets on Discord. This likely includes anyone who has ever played Among Us. Its diversity of features, ubiquity, and freemium model make it an obvious choice for many. Like a Slack, it also allows for more organization within a single Discord. You can also navigate from one Discord to another seamlessly using the sidebar on mobile and desktop apps. Number 9 is the key tweak. Investing in a super high-end keyboard isn't really necessary these days. You can get an RGB keyboard with cherry keys in a variety of designs for less than $30 in some cases. However, many players are also switching to non-traditional keyboards out of necessity or desire. This requires a program like KeyTweak that allows people to remap their keyboard layouts. The less than 500 kilobyte program doesn't currently have DEV support, but it is compatible with Windows 10 PCs. Some alternatives include programs like AutoHotkey or Sharp Keys for people who want supported program. Number 8 is the SSD Fresh. While advanced Windows users can manually configure many of the options found in SSD Fresh, there is no denying how easy the program makes the entire process. SSD Fresh will detect and scan your SSD drivers to determine whatever you're running at peak efficiency. Chances are they'll be in the red line when you first start the program up. A series of personal optimization choices will cause the needle to inch closer to the green, which indicates that your SSD is running at peak efficiency. It allows you to turn off Windows features such as Hibernate and desking and kernel swapping in order to free up resources and keep your drive running like a Ferrari. Number 7. EQUALIZER APO. At first glance, this little program doesn't look like much, but it's actually one of the most robust audio equalizers available. It can act as a full-on replacement for sound card's undoubtedly limited audio options. EQUALIZER's APO features a list of items that can be stacked vertically to customize the perfect sound environment. In addition to 15-band, 31-band, and variable EQ, users can also stack a preamp, low and high pass filters, loudness correction, and VST plugins. Once configured, it will run silently in the background, eliminating the need of fuss with secondary audio apps. Number 6 is cleanmypc. Keeping any computer clean regarding files is almost as challenging as keeping Henry Cavill clean during The Witcher. And though there are many competitors, MacPaw's interface for cleanmypc is one of the best. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and easy to understand. With a few clicks, you can clean out the buildup of garbage files that accumulate in a system, set autorun programs, and shared files, and recycle bin items so they can't be recovered. The only three key things is the registry cleaner, as this feature carries many inherent risks in today's technological ecosystem. Number 5 is the bluestacks. Itching to play Android-based games and apps on a PC? Then an emulator is the way to go, and BlueStacks seems to be the platinum standard. This handy little program creates an Android environment within Windows as a self-contained bubble to play games in or on. You'll need to enable visualizations on their motherboard in order to fully take advantage of virtual machines like BlueStacks. This can vary depending on specific hardware in any given PC. Luckily, a quick Google search or thumbing through the mobile manual can show people how to enter their BIOS and turn this feature on. Most will have it disabled by default. Number 4 is the Quick Look. This free app from Paddy Zhu can be found in the Microsoft Store. It's one of those never knew I needed it kinds of programs that can make Windows navigation so much better. Essentially, Quick Look emulates the Mac OS inspired preview function triggered when someone highlights a folder or file and taps the spacebar. This particular version of Quick Look is far more powerful than the Mac equivalent. Features such as mouse wheel volume control and zoom functionality take it to the next level. It's a great way to quickly view photos, documents, content, movies, or folder data with a simple button press. Number 3 is winlaunch. Mac users are already familiar with the kind of interface winlaunch offers, but this particular app is leaps and bounds beyond the Apple rival. This extremely useful launcher eliminates the need to clutter a desktop with unsightly icons or navigate the start menu. winlaunch can be configured to pop up however a user prefers. One example is by just a tap of the middle mouse button. From there, users can add program executables and drive folders with a few clicks, assign custom icons, and rearrange titles on the fly across multiple pages that can be scrolled via the mouse wheel. It's a convenient and tidy way to manage a library of apps and games. Number 2 is the OBS Studio. There are many programs out there that let people record games and audio, but OBS Studio might be one of the best free options available. It also has continuous updates that add new features and improvements. It's pretty widely used, so tutorials on how to set it up abound. The file sizes are also not nearly as gargantuan as they can be on other similar programs like Fraps. For those who want to get into streaming or just want to record games, OBS Studio is the way to go. And the last one is f.lux. More and more there's a focus on protecting your eyeballs from blue light. Though Windows comes with a night light function, it doesn't count for brightness across different rooms and programs. f.lux aims to fix that by making a PC display just throughout the night and day. This program is especially useful for gaming laptop users. Apparently people can also control their smart lights with FLUX too. Thank you so much for watching this. I highly recommend you to watch this video as well about 10 things you need to know about the new gamer friend finding app. I'm pretty sure that you would like this and you'll have it installed on your system. Thank you so much.